Welcome to vlog 11 with me, Calum Macaulay. I know, I should work at that. Hello, welcome to today's vlog with me, Calum Macaulay. Going to be in there on Thursday, taking part in a Gaelic chat show, first time ever. I'll link it in the description below. Still tickets available, so make sure you come along. I think it's going to be a good laugh. Hello, welcome to vlog number 11 with me, Calum Macaulay. In case any of you are wondering what's with the accent I was putting on at the top of the vlog, I do cartoon voiceovers. I think I mentioned that in one of my vlogs when I was looking back at 10 years of being in telly. I play Donny Murdo. He's the Gaelic danger mouse, so it's a really fun thing to do. Donny Murdo, he's like secret agent supreme, so he's got to be smooth, he's got to be suave. Before I play Donny Murdo, I have to watch back on the previous episodes that I've done just so I can be sure the voice is right, because I don't want to go into the dub just now. It's like, oh man, spending half an hour trying to find the voice. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm doing that from 2 till 6. If I get finished early, I might try and go to the gym. I like to go to the gym on a Monday night. Then I'm playing football. Also, I'm in the park here, Kelvin Grove Park in Glasgow. It's absolutely beautiful today. It's really nice. Obviously vlogging with my GoPro Hero 5. I would like to upgrade my camera at some point. There's so many beautiful things around here. Statues, trees, loads of colours in the leaves falling. I think with like a camera with a wee cheeky lens or something will make it look good, but just now my priority for vlogging is about storytelling. I want to get the story nailed. Make sure whoever's watching this is enjoying it, and let me just check the time. It's over there to 2. So yeah, that's at 10 to 2 now. Better wrap this up, and I'll catch you later. As much as I love cycling, flip my neck, you work up a sweat, even at this time of year. Quick change, then upstairs. And that's a bit better. Okay, hello. So script 37, yeah. Let's go. Tough day. Knackered. Brain dead. That's me done for today. Heading home now, and yeah, I've got brain freeze, major brain freeze. I'm also testing out the GoPro Hero 5 Black in the dark. Low level light. I can't even talk, man, I'm flipping goosed. Really enjoy doing the cartoons. It's just really tough mentally, you know, just staying in character and remembering loads of stuff. So it's Halloween in Glasgow, and instead of taking the cycle path home, just in case there's loads of ghosts and goblins and stuff, I'm going to take the roads, and that requires a lot of concentration. You've got to be seen, be safe, so it's probably not good crack to have the GoPro in my hand, so I'll put it away. But before I go, I think I'll give you some Gaelic while I'm here. Sgìth. It's quite appropriate for me right now. I think a lot of the phrases I've been giving you the last couple of vlogs have been quite appropriate to how I've been feeling. So this is sgìth, which means I'm as tired as a dog. So that's today's vlog concluded. That's it for me. Boom. last time I spoke with you, I was knackered, I was brain dead, I had zero chat. Not that my chat's any better now, but 20 minutes, 25 minutes on the bike, my goodness, it clears your head. One of the many reasons why I love cycling, is why I love telling people I love cycling. Try it, clears your head. Stay safe, be seen, don't be an idiot on the bike. Okay, that's definitely it for today. Boom!